Hey, hello, welcome to Will's Homestead. I just want to do a little video, a little catch up. Just wondering, what do you want to see? Because I'm getting mixed reviews on certain videos I put up. You know, sometimes I get heaps of views, but lately I've just been getting more views on my goats. So, what do you really want to see? Do you want to see the progress in the gardens, me building the gardens, or do you want to see more of the goats? What do you really want to see? That is the question. So if you leave a comment down the bottom below and let me know. Let us know so we know what to put up instead of us wasting our time putting stuff up what you don't want to see. We want our followers to watch our stuff, so we just want to know, what do you want to really see? What things? It's just been on our mind lately. Just mixed reviews on everything. Everything is, and that we've just been watching all different things about our channel, which videos are taking off, but it seems to be mainly just the goats. So give us some ideas, you know, because we've got a lot of things that we've got to do out here. But I don't want to be filming it all if no one's going to be enjoying it and watching it, because that's a lot of extra work. So let us know. We're just a bit stumped, a bit confused on what you want to see, basically. So we've got the food forest, so I've got to get back down and maintain and get it back under control and get things happening there again, since I've put in a water line down there now, so it's much easier. I'll just do a lot of tidying up and whatnot, but yeah, just let us know. We want to build this community together. What you want to see, what drives you, just speak up, talk to us, and we'll get there. But thank you for your time. Leave a like, share, comment. Much love, peace, until the next video.